So some people don't know that you can actually look in sections of Amazon and get things a little bit cheaper. Sometimes a fraction of a cost, and I mean small. I found a set of solid stainless steel, really high-end Chicago cutlery kitchen knives. They were like $325 for the set, but because it had like a little crack in the top of the wood where the knives go in, it was just a little small 3/4 inch, 1 inch crack, but it didn't compromise anything. People, I mean, it went on sale for like $47.99. I bought it immediately, and I've been using that set for years, so I got a steal on that. This is the H7 lights, the 6000K. I can't even say this, but it was they were advertising a lot. I've seen quite a few reviews on it, really good reviews. I think it ended up getting like a 4.7 out of 5-star rating, and they advertised better than anybody else did. I'm hoping these housings sit down completely in the actual headlight assembly. What are you doing, chica? She missed me. So I ended up picking up this kit because the top of it had the sticker ripped off, or the center section ripped off, for like $12 less than what it retailed for on Amazon. And I ended up getting this set of Lysome, I think they call it Lysome H7s. And basically you clip everything in. You put your mountain stuff on. It's got its own cooling fan in the bottom of it. It's got its own internal like circuit board and how it controls everything. Obviously, be careful when you install everything. Like for instance here, I see that this gasket is sucked up underneath the collar more, and it should be centered. So I'm actually going to have to really inspect and look at everything, because sometimes you pay for what you get. Instead of buying a $100 kit, I bought a $50 kit. And yeah, these are, they look really high end. They feel like kind of heavy. And this is the part that actually plugs into the factory lighting circuit, and it's got its own built-in kind of control device. So yeah, I'm gonna pull this other one out real quick and see. That's how that O-ring is supposed to sit. But if you look at this one, it's pulled up underneath the collar too much, so I'm gonna have to make some quick adjustments. And then it actually has install for what you're doing, and they show you plugging it into the factory connector right here, and then this sits inside the housing if you have room, hopefully if you have room. So this is the unboxing of the H7 LED kit. It's supposed to be 6,000. I think it's like 6,000K, which is a little bit more white than the high beam that I have, which is 6,500K. And yeah, we're gonna get these installed very soon. I'll let you guys know what these look like.